This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide to fixing the low memory warning in Roblox on your iPhone and iPad. If you're experiencing performance issues while playing Roblox, this guide will help you clear cache, optimize your device performance, free up storage, and prevent future memory-related problems. Let's begin! So first, locate the Settings app. After you locate the Settings app, tap on it to open the app. While we're in the Settings app, scroll down until you find the General tab. After you locate the General tab, tap on it to open. While we're in the General tab, locate the iPhone Storage tab. After you locate the iPhone Storage tab, tap on it to open. While we are in an iPhone Storage tab, scroll down until you find the Roblox app. After you locate the Roblox app, tap on it to open the app. While we are in the app info of the Roblox app, tap on the Offload app. The choices appear at the bottom. Just tap on the Offload app. After that, tap the Reinstall app. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve the low memory warning in Roblox on your iPhone or iPad. Clearing cache, optimizing device performance, freeing up storage, and keeping your software updated are essential to ensuring a smooth gaming experience. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.